Hey Indiegogo, meet Ginjot, a cleaning mop with washable, dual-sided microfiber pads that deals with all kinds of surfaces. Dust, hair, that's no longer a problem. Ginjot cleans everything. And the UV sterilizer placed in the cleaning mop disinfects your house by killing 99.9% of bacteria. What's great about Ginjot is its flexibility. It easily rotates up to 360 degrees, touching even the most unreachable angles. Most importantly, Ginjot is concerned about the thickness of your wallet. That is why solar-powered batteries built into the mop help to consume less electricity and save the environment at the same time. And by the way, Ginjot is fully recycled, meaning that by choosing Ginjot, you reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills. When you're done with your cleaning, just put the microfiber pad in the washing machine. Pre-order your Ginjot now with special discount and free shipping, only on Indiegogo.